Hello everyone, Uncle Jay here. Today Uncle Jay would like to share several interesting but confusing Chinese characters with you. The reason why you find them confusing is probably they share the common parts and their pronunciations are similar, but once you understand the stories and secrets behind these characters, you will naturally master them. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So as we can see, these 5 characters share the common part, which is the pronunciation part. The 4 characters on the right all have this common part, yuán, as their pronunciation part. When you see a strange character, most of them, they have a pronunciation part like this, or the radical, which is the meaningful part. Uncle Jay will explain them to you one by one. So let's see the basic unit first, yuán. When people originally find them on turtle shells or animal bones, it looked like this. At the head, shoulder, arm, and body. So as we can see, they wanted to emphasize this head part. So the original meaning of this character, it meant head. And the meaning is extended to be original or primary. As time goes by, the character became more boxy, so the strokes became more straight. So the head is like this, shoulder, arm, and body. Now it's a boxy shape. The meaning means original or primary. So as you know, if you have used the Chinese money, 人民币, the unit of Chinese money is yuan. It's equivalent of dollar. 一元 means $1 in Chinese. Yuan is also a dynasty name that's created by Genghis Khan. Yuan is also a popular Chinese family name. It has many meanings. So now we understand the meaning and pronunciation of this basic unit. We can apply to the other 4 confusing characters on the right. So this is the first character, and the second one is WAN second tone, one. So the radical is the meaningful part. It means cave. We have a piece of stone, and under the stone there's a cover. It means cave. That's why the Chinese character 家 means home. 家, J-I-A, first tone, 家 means home, because in caveman's time, their home was under the cave. So we know that the character in this red circle means original, primary, or money. So in the morning, when you wake up, you will go to work. When you finish your job, finish hunting, no matter what you do, when you finish, you will go back to your original cave. So this character means finish. 完 means finish. The third one, the radical, is here. It is 王. We have learned a very interesting character before. It's 三. 1, 2, 3, 3 strokes. But the philosophy meaning of 3, 三, means heaven, earth, and human. They are the 3 most important elements. And the king is the connection between heaven, earth, and human. So we put a vertical stroke there, means king. King, the pronunciation is 王. So be aware that when you write 王 as a radical, make sure that the stroke on the bottom go up a little bit. The stroke goes up a little bit. So when we have king, and then the character in the red circle means money, Chinese money. The king plus money means play. I would say that most king, when they have money, they would play. Maybe there are some good kings, but most of them, they would play. So that's the meaning of the third character, play. Pronunciation is WAN second tone, 完. The fourth character, yuan, what does it mean? Let's take a look at the radical part. The radical is like this. In order to explain the meaning, we have to turn it around a little bit, turn left about 90 degrees. It looked like this. So the meaning is a mountain. So in the ancient Chinese society, they didn't have satellite or any technology to help them draw borders between country to country, between county to county, village to village. What they would do is they would just follow the natural geomorphology, use the mountains, rivers to divide countries to countries, villages to villages, county to counties, use mountain and rivers to be their border. So that's why the ancient Chinese people built the Great Wall on this huge mountain and use it to be the border between Mongolia and China. So like the ancient Chinese saying said, 普天之下莫非王土，率土之滨莫非王臣. Wherever you can see under the heaven, that's the land of the king. After they built the Great Wall, the king calls his land his backyard. So this character, the mountain plus finish means yard. So the fifth character is more interesting. We know that God used clay or dirt to create a human, but when we die, we'll be put into a coffin to be buried into the dirt, into earth, to go back to where we are originally from. So this character means original, and then there's a box. Put us into the box to be buried into the dirt. That's where we are originally from. So this yuan means tomb. And in modern society, we extend the meaning to be park, garden, or orchard. Just to make sure that you can follow the right order of writing these characters, please follow Uncle J again. The first one, yuan, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy, means original primary, is also a unit of Chinese money, is also a dynasty name, and is also a very popular Chinese family name. The second character, 1, means finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, finish. The third one, 1, means play. When the king has money, he will play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Play. The fourth, yuan, means yard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 strokes. The last character means park, garden, or orchard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strokes. These are the stories and secrets behind these 5 confusing Chinese characters. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next challenge. Bye bye.